how to turn off microphone on your Google Chrome. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off your microphone on Google Chrome app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Google. Now click on those 3 points up there and click on settings. Scroll down and click on site settings. Now you have the option number 5. Click on it and turn off this option. Even if you turn on this option, they're gonna ask you first before allowing sites to use your microphone. And this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like.